This is the Selenium IDE UI, which can be used to create automation test scripts. Let us go through the various controls. This is the menu bar. File, new test case, open, save test case as, all those standard options. Exporting your test cases into platform language you want to or you are comfortable in. You can use them later in the WebDriver. Recent test cases, add test case, properties, new test suite, open, save test suite. So the above section was for the test case, this is for the test suite, and then you can also export test case or test suite and close. Going to the edit menu, standard cut, copy, paste, undo, redo operations, insert new command or insert new comment in a test case. So you can use it from here or directly from the test case pane also. Actions. So all these actions are otherwise available on the toolbar, or you can do it from the front end without using the menu. But yeah, one should know. Recording the test steps automatically while you are doing something on the web page. Play entire test suite. You want to execute all the test cases in a test suite, or you want to execute current test case. Periodically set the timelines. Toggle breakpoint. This is for the debugging mainly. Set clear start point. Set a start point for the test case. Pause or resume. Step into one by one again for debugging. Executing single command in a test case. How fast or slower you want the execution to be. So all these we'll do practically later on, just for your understanding. We are discussing now. Options. Format, again same. You can specify which format your test cases should be in. Clipboard format, ID, window, clear history, standard ones. Help, or let's go to the options one. Yep, normally all the settings remain same. I would say you can change this one. This is a default timeout. If your application doesn't respond to the tool, this time it's 30 seconds. You have user extensions or roll-up files. You can specify them over here. Then these settings, as per your need, you can change. Remember base URL, record assert title automatically, verifying the page title, if it's as per expected result or not. So it will automatically create a step. Formats, again, language. These will populate automatically when you start creating test case. Plugins, play around with the options if you have plugins installed. Locate builders, how to recognize your objects. So you set up a hierarchy over here. WebDriver, enable WebDriver playback. It helps in executing all these test cases on multiple browsers. Like initially it was just for Firefox, but now you can execute them over Android, Chrome, IE. File logging, I think I have an add-on, that's why this feature is coming up, just to specify the file for recording the test execution results. So this is about the menu bar. It's going okay. Base URL, it tells you about the website or web page you are going to test. It can be sent to an absolute path and then add relative paths in your test scripts. Toolbar, this is the fast and slow, so how the rate of execution. If you want it to be slow, just slide it and you will see the results. These two I'm not gonna discuss. I think these are again coming up because I have an add-on added. Play entire test suite, again same option which we discussed over here. Play entire test suite. Yep. Current test case, pause, resume. So these are active when your test case execution is going on. Step into apply rollup rules, reload. So these are interconnected. Okay, and this is again that scheduler for your execution, and this is the recording button. You can click on it and it will start recording your steps on the web page. Moving on to the test case pane. Test case pane is used to view the test steps in the test script, whether you are recording or writing your test steps in the command, target or value fields. They will be displayed here in a sequential order. This will list all the test cases. So this is a test suite actually, and you will see all the test cases under that listed here sequentially. Log presents the execution log along with the reasons for the failure of a test case, if any. Reference, it explains the different commands and their usage. UI element, rollup, we'll discuss later on. Rollup is this one actually. We'll see it practically happening. What's the significance of this tab? Runs and failures, they give the count of successful and failed test scripts. Okay, yeah, I think we have covered all the required controls that we need to be aware of. In the next lecture, we'll understand the various commands, and then later on, we'll cover the practical part. Thank you.